that you are resorting to.
All right, here we go.
Sorry, the real. Or you get snap
What
light.
elevate? No. We don't know what it is. James's camera's off.
The only camera that's on is Nathan's, and it's not even lit.
All right, here we go.
Floating around. Okay, I see the call.
I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing.
Oh, I love this. This is probably my favorite building in the whole campus.
What, the hospital?
Oh, Nathan really does not like the quadruple chime. He complains about triple chime. And here we are with... Did you just leave?
Bro, no, that was Nathan.
I know that was Nathan.
He hated it that much, bro.
This is elevator SM2. I didn't even see that.
What the?
I forgot that I had that. So I had to pull that out.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's a good elevator.